Hey there everybody, this is Eric from Outer Limitless.
And it's Carlos from Daily Carry Solutions.
We're here in Atlanta today to cover Blade 2019.
Now there is a lot of material to cover between June 7th and June 9th. These 3 days have a lot coming, so stay tuned.
You're gonna like it.
So we'll start right here with this table. These are all our special editions. They all have the aircraft aluminum, T6061 aircraft aluminum. We have a number of different styles, colors, sizes. I'll start on this end right here with our lower end. This one right here is a FSX series. Like I said, T6061 aircraft aluminum, D2 steel on the blade, all CNC machine internals. And as you can see, we got the black, Tiffany, blue, purple. Then we have our sidewinders down here. Everything the same, aircraft aluminum, D2 steel. And then you come all the way down here to the mediums. Got the medium FSX. Again, gray, black, blue. Coming into our larges. Just a little bit bigger. And all the blades are interchangeable, so we can do drop point, drops rated, tantos rated, your dag one side, dag two side. So all these, like I said, all our special edition, all aircraft aluminum, prices from $125 all the way up to $175. We have some other styles over here. We have our CTKs and our small FS3s. These are going for 80 bucks today. And then we have a little bit bigger size. So we got our medium CTK going for 100 bucks. These are a little bit different than the special edition. They have an aluminum zinc alloy casting, so it gives it a little bit more weight. That zinc and that combination gives it a little bit more weight if you like something more heavy in your hand. We have larges over here going for 110. Lightweights just have a little bit less zinc in that combination, give it a little bit lighter feel, but it is still the same casting as these right here. So we offer a lifetime warranty here at CobraTec. You buy a CobraTec knife, we're going to take care of you. So with your knife, anything goes wrong with the function of your handle, send it to us, man. If it's a CobraTec knife, we're going to warranty it. If anything goes wrong, we're going to fix it. If we can't fix it, we send you a brand new knife. So, you buy, like I said, you buy a CobraTec knife, we're going to take care of you. You're going to enjoy your product. So, a number of different body styles, sizes, colors, blade styles. We can do any kind of blade style you want for any color handle. Come check us out, CobraTecKnives.com.
Whichever, I mean, you can get one of those, like the orange one.
50 for the two rows there, and then that side over there is 125.
Okay.
And then those larges on the far side.